called Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups. Oh, hello. It's nice to meet you, Franklin said. Franklin said he would be here soon. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us hiccups.
What?
Chili? Does chili give you hiccups? Yeah, not either. Gives me something else. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backward from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while I drinking backward from a cup. Nothing seems to work. But Franklin has given me a new idea, and I need your help. Are you ready to give him help? Yeah? Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure hiccups. So I need you to scare me. You guys ready to help scare him? But I don't really like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Are you guys ready to say boo on 3? Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Boo!
Did it work? Do you think it worked? Hiccup. Is that it? Let's try again. We gotta do it louder this time. Excuse me. 1, 2, 3.
Boo!
You think that one worked? Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my hiccup. Oh,
what?
No, it didn't work. Will I have hiccups forever? One more time. Shout, go crazy. All right, so go crazy. You ready?
Really loud, guys. Oh, there's loud again.
1, 2, 3.
Boo!
Oh my gosh. Raw. It's a killer whale.
That's pretty scary.
That's pretty scary. Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare, and then you go and jump out of me on me, so now my feathers are all wet, and my mom will go bonkers because she just washed these the other day. Now I have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on a second. My hiccups, they're gone. Oh, thank you so very much. Let's celebrate with a nice spicy taco.
No.
Uh-oh. They're eating spicy tacos, and guess what? Hiccup! They're back. What'd you think? You like it?